Assalamu alaikum Iman. Assalamu alaikum Buching. Pop on. What is that? Are you playing paper planes? Do you make the paper planes by yourself? That's great. This is looking very interesting. Making toys out of paper. Wait a minute. Where is wudu? There he is. Assalamu alaikum wudu. Oh, it looks like wudu is watering his plant. What is wrong, wudu? Wudu, calm down. What is the matter? Do you know why wudu is like that? All right. Wudu is a robot that likes cleaning. You don't seem to like it, Iman. Are you upset that wudu cleans up your paper planes? Cleaning it up does not mean wudu stops you from playing. Wudu only wants you to not throw garbage everywhere. Right, wudu? But why do you like cleaning so much, wudu? Do any of you know why? Ah, it looks like Iman has the answer. Oh, Iman, why are you eating? We're waiting for your answer. Whoops! Iman, are you okay? Banana skin is very slippery. You need to be careful, Iman. If you keep throwing banana skins everywhere, we can't play. Let's clean up properly, okay? We collect the banana skin and put them into the trash can. See, if our environment is clean, we can play safely. Wudu, it looks like Papon and Buching also know why you like cleaning. Look, Papon and Buching want to take us on a picnic. Yes, that will be fun. Oh, what a smell! The park is very dirty. We cannot have our picnic here. What do you think, Wudu? We need to do something. Masha Allah, wudu is so cool. Ah, look how beautiful the garden is now. Everything is nice and clean. Alhamdulillah, now we can have our picnic. It is all thanks to wudu. So wudu, according to Papon and Buching, you love cleaning because cleaning makes our environment safe, beautiful, and smells nice. Your answers are correct. However, the true reason why wudu loves cleaning is because Allah loves cleanliness. Wudu loves to clean because Allah loves those who keep themselves pure and clean. MashaAllah. This is very good, wudu. Allah has created planet Earth for us. We need to take care of it. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah is pure and He loves purity. Allah is clean and loves cleanliness. And Allah is beautiful and loves beauty. Therefore, we must keep our place clean and tidy. Who wants to help wudu clean? Hey, where are you going? Oh, don't be sad, wudu. I'm sure Iman, Buching, and Papon will help you. Look, they're coming back. Alhamdulillah. Let's follow the Prophet's teachings by looking after our environment.
Bum 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 bum.